Hi everyone. Today's topic is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. First of all, we discussed about that nucleophiles. What is meant by nucleophile? They are electron rich species. Electron rich species. What is meant by electron rich? Electron rich means here more number of electrons are present in a substance is called as electron rich substance, having at least one unshared pair of electron, that is nothing but nucleophile. It can be neutral or negatively charged species is called as nucleophiles. Negatively charged, how can you identify that nucleophile means? First of all, I estimated that negatively charged species and neutral species is nothing but nucleophiles only. Okay na? Now coming to that examples of nucleophiles. Here Cn minus and OH minus and Br minus and I minus NH3 having the lone pair of electrons and H2O having the lone pair of electrons. Means in this case you have to observe that Cn minus is a negatively charged species, OH is negatively charged species, Br minus is negatively charged species, I is negatively charged species, and NH3 is electron rich substance and H2O is a rich substance. These are examples of nucleophiles. Now coming to that substitution reaction. What is meant by substitution? A replacement means a displacement means exchanging the places is called as a displacement of an atom or a group by another atom or group in a molecule is known as substitution reaction. Means in this case example of substitution reaction is, for example, R is a reactant species, Lg is nothing but leaving group, and plus react with nucleophile, then gives rise to, it is a displacement will be takes place, means exchanging the places. The nucleophile is attached to that R position and leaving group. This is the called as a substitution reaction. Means what will happen? The leaving group is place is exchange. This nucleophile is attached to that reactant species. Then the nucleophilic is attached to the reactant species and leaving group is it is coming out. That is called as a substitution reaction. Now nucleophile means electron rich species and substitution reaction means displacement of an atom. Displacement of an atom is called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is types. It is having the types is there, that is SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction is a very important topic. Okay na. Here first of all, SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. It is also called as unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is also called as unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Means in this some important points are there. Those are here. First of all, it is a two-step process. It is a two-step process. Second point is it is a first order reaction. It is a first order reaction. Next one is, third one is carbocation intermediate. Carbocation intermediate is formed. Carbocation intermediate is formed. So rearrangement is possible. Rearrangement possible in SN1 reaction. Carbocation intermediate is formed, so rearrangement is possible in SN1 reaction. So according to chemical kinetics, R means rate is directly proportional to alkyl halide. R means rate is directly proportional to alkyl halide. Okay na. Now coming to that, rate of SN1 reaction is independent. Rate of SN1 reaction is independent of concentration and reactivity. Concentration and reactivity of nucleophile. Reactivity of nucleophile. What are the some important points in SN1 reaction? Means SN1 reaction is called as unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is a two-step process, and that is reaction is involves in two-step reaction. Next one is it is a first order reaction. SN1 reaction is a first order reaction. It is a very important point. It is according to chemical kinetics, that is it is involved in that first order reaction. Next one is carbocation intermediate is formed. It's a very important point. Carbocation intermediate is formed. So rearrangement is possible in SN1 reaction. Means rate is directly proportional to concentration of alkyl halide. Means this is called as nucleophile. Already we know nucleophile means electron rich species. Okay na. Now coming to that mechanism. What the mechanism is involved in SN1 reaction? Here first of all, if you are taking that carbon is a central metal atom and the alkyl groups R1, R dash and R double dash, and it is having the X. It is called as chiral center. Now coming to that ionization of alkyl halide, ionization of alkyl halide. It is a slow step reaction. Okay, na slow step reaction. Now it is a reaction intermediate. What the reaction intermediate is formed? Carbocation intermediate is formed. Am I correct or not? Carbocation intermediate is formed means central metal atom is carbon, and according to orbital diagram we can estimate it easily. For that orbital diagram, it is a p and here r dash and r double dash, and here r, it is a chiral center. Now it is having that carbocation. Why? Because the X is a leaving group. Then here in this case X minus means this is called as otherwise if you are taking that nucleophile, that is OH minus or whatever it may be. Here examples before already we discussed: Cn minus, OH minus, Br minus, I minus.